Welcome to our comparison of the SMUG and Electactic Countertop ice makers. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and portability. But how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart. Let's get started. Both the SMUG and Electactic ice makers boast impressive ice-making speeds, producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. This makes them ideal for quick ice needs during parties or gatherings. Both models can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, ensuring you have plenty of ice for all your needs. This feature is particularly beneficial for larger gatherings or events. When it comes to maintenance, the SMUG model features an auto-cleaning function, while the Electactic offers a self-cleaning option. Both features simplify the cleaning process, making these machines user-friendly. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Electactic countertop ice makers offer excellent features for anyone in need of a portable ice solution. The choice between them will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.